immediately, just by identifying, when you do your work in the beginning, identifying the strength, you can anticipate always. You can always begin to visualize in your mind how this chart is going to be, whether you want to be a buyer or seller. Look at this move. That is selling coming into the yen. It might not be euro strength, but it's definitely yen weakness. So with that, it gives us a very nice clear entry. We're going to buy it above 112, and if we do, this is where we're going to place our stop. We're going to sell it below the 111, and if we do, this is where we're going to put our short stop right there. When you do your homework and the chart talks to you, you'll be able to identify those entries and exits pretty easily. So for the euro yen, and it wouldn't take more than 2 minutes doing your homework and identifying it. So we're going to be buyers. You put the charts back up again so I can see what I'm doing. We're going to buy it above the 112.05. Which is pretty much towards our buy point of what we had last week. And if we do buy it above the 112.05, I'm placing my stop below 111.50. We're only going to go short below the 111 even, because I have now a buy signal. And if I do, I'm placing my stop above 111.30. So I'm risking a very tight, about 25 pips on that. So I'm make it 111.40 so that you can see it right there. This I'm going to put above the market side. So this is my buy signal. My structure long is the 113.60 right there. My structure short is the 110.56. My long stop is below 111.50 right there. That's the short. No, that's the short stop. So I'll use the 111.50 for both the long and the short. Okay, this is the pound yen, the euro yen, I'm sorry. Sure, Said, give me a minute. We'll buy it above the 112.05. Our structure long is the 113.60. I have about a yen and a half before the structure point, and if you buy it, you're going to risk about 50 pips on that trade, and the 111.50 is your stop on either side. You'll only go short below the 111.03, and your structure short is the 110.56, and if you do, you're going to still be using the 111.50. Alright, that is the euro